Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change tire on Gmc Yukon, only ways. Park on level ground and set the parking brake, then place wheel chocks behind the opposite wheels and loosen lug nuts slightly before lifting. Keep the vehicle in gear or in park and use jack stands once lifted. Always work on stable ground and wear gloves and eye protection for safety. Begin by positioning the jack under the Yukon's recommended lift point and raise the vehicle until the tire clears the ground. Remove the lug nuts in a star pattern and set them aside where you won't lose them. Gently pull the wheel straight off the hub, checking the rotor and brake pads for damage, and set the tire aside so you can mount the spare without obstruction or dirt. Align the spare wheel with the hub holes and push it onto the studs until it sits flush. Then hand thread the lug nuts in a star pattern to keep the wheel seated evenly. Lower the vehicle carefully until the tire touches the ground, then fully lower and remove the jack. Use a torque wrench to tighten the lug nuts to the manufacturer's specification and recheck torque after driving a short distance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.